To add users to your website, first purchase additional user profiles. You can do this in two ways. From the Users page, click Purchase More User Accounts. Or go directly to Billing, click Update Subscription, find the User Account row, select the number needed, and click Save Subscription Changes. Once profiles are purchased, return to the Users page where you will see a green Add User button at the bottom. Click this to begin setting up a new user. The initial setup requires 3 steps. First, enter the user's basic information and assign their role. Multiple roles can be assigned if needed. If they are a loan officer, click Next. If they aren't, click Save and continue to the next user. For loan officers, enter their NMLS number and select their primary location. Click Next. Choose the states where the loan officer is licensed and click Save. At this point, the user can edit the rest of the information, or the website administrator can. To edit the rest of the user information, click on the blue Edit button at the end of the row on the user you want to edit. In the Basic tab, you can manage the user's core information, including name, email, title, and phone numbers. Any changes here update across the entire website. In Picture, you can upload and manage the user's profile photo that will be displayed on the website. Locations is where you can set up and edit where the user operates. They can be assigned to one location or multiple office locations. In Licensing, you can add and manage the states where the user is licensed to operate. Select the states and save. Additional licensing information can be added as needed. In the Reviews tab, import Google reviews or manually enter customer testimonials. These will display on the user's profile page. The Partners tab allows you to add trusted business partners and industry connections that you regularly work with. These connections can be displayed on the user's website. In the Bio tab, you can write a personal introduction that appears on the user's website. This helps potential clients get to know the user better. The Social Media tab allows you to connect professional social media profiles by adding links to each platform. These appear as clickable icons on the website. In Loan Application, you can choose between using eTrafficker's built-in application or select a third-party application system if you use one. Roles is an administrator-only section for managing user permissions and access levels. Regular users cannot modify this section. Notifications is where you can set up text alerts from eTraffickers for account updates, new leads, and loan application notifications. In CRM and Newsletter, you can configure newsletter settings and create custom email disclaimers that appear at the bottom of all subscriber communications. Within Pre-Approval Letter, it creates a standardized template for pre-approval letters. This serves as a base template. Do not put specific borrower information here. Lastly, integrations. Here is where you can access your Zapier API key if you use Zapier integration. This covers everything you need to know about adding and managing users. For more details about specific features such as locations, reviews, partners, and notifications, check the links in the description below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.